Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are fine and your studies are going good. You are learning well. So today we have a day of grammar skills. Open your book and come on the page number 72, chapter number 15. Past continuous tense. Let's see the structure of the sentence. Subject plus was and were plus first form of the verb with suffix ing, which will be called present participle, plus object. You use was or were plus a present participle to form the past continuous tense. This tense can be used to tell about an action that was going on when something else happened. For example, I was sleeping when the siren sounded. As you can see here in this sentence, he is telling you that what he was doing when this happened. Secondly, you can use this tense to tell about an action that was taking place for some time in the past. For example, we were watching a show last night. So we will come on the third point. You can use this tense to tell about the two actions that were taking place at the same time. For example, Mary was writing while her brother was washing the dishes. Okay. Now, for having better understanding of the past continuous tense, we will do few exercises. Let's look at the exercise A. Look at the picture and use the past continuous tense to answer the question on what the people were doing. The first one is done for you. What were they doing when the phone rang? So, they have given you the pictures in which they have pictured few people, and when you will look at the first picture here, a boy is taking bath and the phone is ringing. So they have given you the second sentence, okay, what he will doing when the phone rang. So you will write here, you can use the pronoun he, and you can also use the pronoun I, as they did, that I was having a bath when the phone rang. Then look at the second picture. The boy and the daddy was playing chess and the phone was ringing. So here we will use for the second sentence, we will use the past indefinite tense as they did when the phone rang. So it will be remain same. You have to tell about the thing that they were doing when this happened. So you will write, they were playing chess when the phone rang. Look at the third picture and you will write, Mark was putting on his shoes when the phone rang. And look at this, he was sleeping when the phone rang. So, okay, like this you will solve the second part of the exercise, in which they are asking you about the dad. What was dad doing when the electricity failed? The dad was cooking when the electricity failed. He was typing when the electricity failed. He was coming down when the electricity failed. So you will write here these sentences. Okay, now look at the exercise B. Look at the pictures. Complete each sentence using the past continuous form of the verb given. They have given you a verb here. You will convert it into present participle as I did. Then look at the picture. As you can see here, The whole family is sitting on the beach, and you can also notice the few drops falling down, and you will have to write the sentence in past continuous tense. What you will write? You will write, last Sunday they were picnicking at the beach when it started to rain. In the first part of the sentence you will use past continuous tense, and in the last part of the sentence you will use the past indefinite tense. So by keeping this in your mind, you will write the 2 and 3 part of the exercise by yourself by changing the verb into waiting, by adding a suffix in it, and it will become walking. You can observe the picture, and after observing the picture you will write a sentence here by using this verb of past continuous tense. You will use was or were in your sentence. If your personal pronoun is, if your pronoun is plural, then you will use were, and if your pronoun is singular, then you will use was. Here your pronouns are plural and you will use were. Okay, this is all about. After completing your work, take the pictures of your work and send me on my WhatsApp number.